Okay, class. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. 1, 2. Eyes on you. Welcome to class today. Today we are going to continue to work with homophones. What word? Yes, homophones. And if you remember, homophones are words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. And we've been working with these, and an example that we have already learned is 8, as in 8, the number 8. There are 8 slices of pizza in a medium-sized pizza. Or 8. The boy ate some pizza and he says that pizza was great. His stomach is full. He ate the pizza. So both of these are homophones. And today what we are going to do is we're going to look at 3 new ones. There, and there. And it's a homophone. So we know that they all sound alike, but they're spelled differently. And of course they have different meanings. And that's what we are going to do. We are going to decide which word goes in which sentence. What does there mean? There and there. Yes, there. What word? There. Okay, this first there means they are. And if you look at it, it has an apostrophe in it. And we've used apostrophes before. It is short for they are. And the rule with this word is if they are makes sense in a sentence, when you put the words they are in a sentence, then use this there, the T. Okay, so first of all, we said there, so we're going to use they are. We're going to go up here and look at it. So let me flip this down, and we are going to use they are. Okay, so class, I want you to read with me. I am proud that they are from Central Elementary School. I am proud that they are from Central Elementary School. Does that sound right? I am proud that they are from Central Elementary School. Yeah, I hear you guys saying yes. You know what? Substitute. There equals they are. If they are works, then it's there. Okay, so we are going to come down here. Let's put they are there, and let's read. Get ready. The 4th graders are walking back to they are classroom. I'm already getting a lot of shaking your heads no. No. So this there will not work. It is not the right meaning. They sound the same, but remember, they have different meanings and they're spelled differently. So this there is no. It is not a good word to go in this sentence. And this one is spelled. Let's spell it. T-H-E-I-R. Okay, everyone, let's spell it together. Get ready? T-H-E-I-R. What word? There. Yes, there. Good job. Okay, this there also has a rule, and it means our. It means ownership. What does ownership mean? Yeah, that's a great idea, Bobby. It means that you own something. Think of something. What's a good example of something that you own, Bobby? Yes, you own a baseball bat. You show ownership. Now, if a family owns a car, they own it. It's their car, or if you're talking, you could say that's our car. Now, so there's another little trick that comes with this word, just to help you determine between the differences is there's an I in there. And I is just what Bobby said. I own that. You can just think of that. I own that. So when you own something, there's the I in there. Okay. That is, we're going to go up here. That is, we have there at the end, T-H-E-I-R. So I'm going to go look up here at my rule, an hour. So let's try that. Let's read together. Get ready. That is our classroom. Does that one make sense? That is our classroom. I am hearing yes, and that sounds perfect. Yes, that is our classroom. So you would write that is their classroom, T-H-E-I-R, because our rule works that when we put our in there, it means their, T-H-E-I-R. Okay, so let's do another example. Okay, so blank my classmates, and of course there. So let's practice using our rule. Get ready. What are we going to use? Get ready? Yes, I heard it. Our. When it has the I in it, I own something. We own it. It's ours. Okay, so let's try that. We're going to put what word in there? Yes, our. Good job. And if you notice, I capitalized it because why? Yes, good job. T-H-E-R-E. Yes, what word? There. Good job. Okay, so let's practice that rule. Okay, put the pencil box over, and again, there. And it's these rules, there. So we're going to look up here. Class, what word do we need to use? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, here. If here works, then we use there. So let's try that. Are you ready, detectives? Get ready. Read with me. Put the pencil box over here. Put the pencil box over here. Does that make sense? Yes, good job. That would be right. That our rule would be true for that there. Okay, that is blank classroom. We know it's there, so go up. If here works in here, then we can use this there. So let's practice that. Get ready, read with me. That is here, classroom. That is here, classroom. Classmates, does that make sense? Whisper it to your hand, yes or no? Release. No. That is here, classroom, does not make sense. So you know what? That must not be the right homophone there. If you look at your worksheet, does everyone have a worksheet? Thank you. Thank you for handing that out. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Let's read that together. We'll just say blank. Get ready. Blank in Mrs. Larson's room for 4th grade math. Okay, so I give you a choice. It's either this there or this there. Once, I want you to look at the rule for the word there with the T-H-E-I-R and tell your partner if you think that it makes sense. 2's, I want you to look at the T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E and tell your partner if you think that one makes sense. I want you to work together and use your pencil to circle which word. Do not there. What word can we substitute for there? Yes, our. So let's try that. Our in Mrs. Larson's classroom for 4th grade math. Does that make sense? No. And you know what? I was so proud that you guys discussed and looked at the rules and were reminding each other. I saw some really nice thinking, and that is the best thing, thinking. Okay, so let's read it with they with apostrophe R-E. And whisper it to your hand, what do we substitute? Get ready. Yes, good job. They are. Let's read that. They are in Mrs. Larson's room for 4th grade math. Does that make sense? They are in Mrs. Larson's room for 4th grade math. Yes. So you know what? You would circle this choice and put it in the blank. Okay, so it would be they are or there.